channel Evergreen Teaching. In this today's lesson, we are going to solve the standard form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c in a easy method. So as you know that the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is what the standard form of the quadratic equation. Let's solve this equation. Solving of the equation is nothing but finding the value of the variable. So in this equation, the variable is x. Now let's see how to solve for x. First, we want to multiply the equation by 4a. Multiplying the equation by 4a. Then what we are going to get? That is 4a into ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. 4a into ax square is nothing but 4a square x square plus 4a bx plus 4ac is equal to 0. 4a into x square is 4a square x square. 4a into bx is 4a bx. 4a into c is 4ac is equal to 4a into 0 is 0. Now let us transpose 4ac to the right side. Then we get 4a square x square plus 4abx is equal to minus 4ac minus 4ac. Adding b square both the sides. Adding b square both the sides. Then we get 4a square x square plus 4abx plus b square is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now we can write the left side like this: 4a square x square as 2ax whole square plus it is b square as it is. Here 2 into 2ax into b, that is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Now the left side can be written as it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. For that we can write if a square plus 2ab plus b square. For that we can write a plus b whole square. Here a is 2ax, b is b. So for the complete expression left side we can write 2ax plus b whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. But we want the value of x. So if we remove the square, we want to apply square root to the right side. Then we get 2ax plus b is equal to plus or minus root b square minus 4ac. That is 2ax is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac. But we want the value of x, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So that's how we have solved the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. As you know that every quadratic equation has two roots. One is x is equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac all over 2a, and another root is x is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. These are the two roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, the roots of the quadratic equation are ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then for x as you know it is a variable, we found its value as minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. So, this is a very important result which we need to solve the quadratic equation. Let's solve a quadratic equation by using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. Here the equation is that x square minus 4x x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now let's solve this equation by using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. Let's compare this one with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It means the coefficient of x square is a, that is 1, and the coefficient of x is b, that is b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 1. So the formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. Here the variable is x only, so we can continue. X is equal to minus of minus 4 plus or minus root b square means minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1, 4 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 1. It is equal to minus of minus plus 4 plus or minus 4 4s are 16 minus 4 whole over 2. So that's equal to 4 plus or minus root 16 minus 4 is 12. 16 minus 4 is 12 by 2. That is equal to 4 plus or minus 12 can be written as 4 into 3 by 2. And that is 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 is 2. 2 root 3 by 2. And here we can take 2 as common, then we get 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to 2 plus or minus root 3. That's how we can solve a given quadratic equation. Here, it is very important. We should not cancel this 2 with this 2. Or this 2 with 2 to the 4, we should not cancel like that. First, we want to take the common from this complete thing. So, after that, then only we want to cancel. The final answer is x is equal to 2 plus or minus root 3. And it is a very important method for the examination, for the board examination of NCERT and CBSE of class 10 or grade 10. Thank you. And if you like this channel, share this channel, and if you wish, so subscribe the channel. Thank you. And if you have any doubts regarding this method, please comment. Thank you.